Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn about Pluto. We will be installing Pluto, which is a kind of Jupyter notebook. If you have heard, or you have worked with, so Pluto is similar to that. So we will first see, like, we can go to the page Pluto.jl.org. So if you can see here, I have the page. Now here, if you see, if you want to install, we just need to execute this command and then it should work. So let's try to do it. So I will run the first command, which is I'll copy this import package and package.add. So you can just directly, if you want to go to package, so just press the keyword, uh, press this key. So I can, so we have to press this key and then we should be able to, which is a square bracket ending character, and then we are in package mode. Now we can just do add Pluto. So it should take some time. Now it is already available to me, but yeah, you can try to do. Now press backspace and then we are in Julia shell. Now we just need to enter the command import Pluto and then Pluto.run. So it will automatically open the Pluto notebook. So I'm getting this error because I am using WSL for Windows and there is some issue with my setup. It automatically opens the browser. Otherwise, if it doesn't open, you can use this mm, URL. We can go here and just type this thing. So you can see here now we have the Pluto.jl. There are some getting started documents. So I recommend go through this documentation. You can go here and create new notebook on your environment. Pluto is good in this case, so it highlights we can add at the beginning. So only thing I don't find interesting is that we cannot write multiple statements in Pluto in a single line. And I think creators of Pluto say that they have done this for purpose. So respecting their decision, we can just, like, for example, if I just want to do uh, x equals to 10, so we can press Control Enter, then it should resolve and create a new line x equals to 10. If I can do like z equals to 22, then we can also write for in 1 2 3, then show I and press Shift Enter. So this is also to learn more about Pluto. You can go on the Pluto website, and here we have very good documentation. So it has featured notebooks which helps us to, like, understand like how we can do, which you might find on the get when you open Pluto first time. So this is how we can also use HTML, if you see, range and then different kind of diagrams directly within Pluto. And one good thing is that if you see, click on this button, so we can create a notebook file. We can directly, we can export it as HTML, PDF. We can also record it. So I haven't tried record preview, but yeah, I recommend you guys to try. And yeah, this is how Pluto is. So from now on, we will be using Pluto as our default instead of Julia shell. I also recommend you guys to install Pluto and run it. Thank you. Bye.